Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn on location service on your iPhone. So you can get the most out of your apps that need your location, like maps or even wallet apps. I'm using an iPhone running iOS 18, but don't worry, this will work on another iPhone versions as well. First, let's dive into the settings app. Head to the main settings page and scroll down a bit until you see privacy and security. Tap on that, then find and tap location service. Now you'll see one button to enable location service. Just tap it to turn it on. But you are not done it. You'll want to customize it for specific apps. So if you are noticing that some apps like wallet aren't using your location, tap the app and choose from option like ask next time while using the app or always. For maps or any navigate apps, you'll want to make sure that precise location is enabled so you get accurate direction. And that's it. You're now got location service set up to work perfectly with the apps you need.